Hi, my name is Grace. I'm with RioSense. Today we're going to talk about our patented VROC technology. VROC technology, which you can see here, stands for Viscometer, rheometer on a chip. Ultimately, it's the MEMS and microfluidic combination where your sample will flow through. The 3 to 4 pressure sensors will measure the change in pressure and will measure the viscosity. Today we're going to talk about our product microVISC, which is one of our viscometers. We have other viscometers such as VROC, more for R&D, VROC Initium, which is a fully automated system, and then microVISC today is more of a QC portable viscometer. If you see here, we have at least 3 different chips here, but we have more than 10 different types of chip configurations total. You see here, this is the A05, the B10, and the C30. The major differences between these chips are the flow channel size as well as the pressure ranges that each chip can handle. The A05 can handle lower viscosity lower viscosity samples compared to the C30, which can handle higher viscosity samples. So how it works is, what you would do is you would take the VROC chip, plug it into the little cartridge entrance here, and push it in. And when the chip is detected by the instrument will let you know that it's ready to measure. And when you take out the chip, it'll give you an error message, and you can swap it in for a different type of chip. And that concludes our video for today.